Hello everyone and welcome back to Delonghi Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Perfecta espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we replace the brew unit, the one that you see right here, we lubricate the transmission, replace the O-ring of the generator, they clean the shower screen of the generator, they clean the spouts. In this case, we also had to replace the case of the spouts. As you can see, this one is broken, it's cracking here and it was leaking all over the place. We descaled this machine, deep clean around it, and yeah, that's what we did. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. We're gonna then run a little bit of hot water. Right now the grinder is grinding the beans, getting them into the brew unit. Now the transmission will push the brew unit into the generator right there, where the generator is gonna pass the pump to push water through the whole system, which is going to do pre-infusion. Then the generator will compact it a little more, and then is where we'll do the extraction, as you can see right there. Nice steady stream of espresso coming out of the machine. Great color. Just quantity and nice crema. And this is with all coffee. And water for this machine. As you can see, nice stream coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature, working perfectly fine, working great. So there you have it, Delonghi Perfecta cappuccino working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Mechanic Coffee. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit that bell.